Hey guys, in this video we're going to decorate a tree. We will first prepare the accessories, so let's start. We will start with the flower. We will first take a foam sheet of A4 size and a scissor. We will start cutting it from the one end towards the center in a square shape. So this is what you will get at the end. So start folding it from one end towards the center so that you can get a flower like shape. You can also fold the edges which are popping out from the flower to make it more look like a flower or a rose. So here our rose is ready. Now moving on to the next thing, we will start making the crown of our tree, that is a star. I took a thick foam sheet and a scissor to make it, and then I used golden color to make it more like a star. Now we took mound board to make 3D balls and then joined them together with a cut. Then we punched them. We use acrylic colors, red and orange. Now it was time to decorate the tree, and we found this tree most suitable for decoration. We put lights around the tree, and then we put the crown of tree, that was the star in golden color. We also put the roses. We put those balls with neon thread and tied them with the lights. They looked amazing, and we all were really happy to see this. And we also put some candies to make this event more sweet and memorable. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video. See you. Bye bye.